What's up guys? So today in this video we're going to go over some of the new releases and some of the ones that are already released but ones that are pending releasing for the rest of the week. So first we got the Concord Bred colorway, and this one's set to release 6/27/20 at a price point at $185. This one overall is really not too bad of a shoe. Personally, I do like it. The quality is not too bad, but it's just a colorway that I'm really not feeling just a little bit. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely going to be a sleep for me. Next we got the white Concord. This one's set to release 6/18/20 with a retail of $185. Overall, this is actually not too bad. This was to release in men's. This actually be a shoe that I would try to get myself, but for the price point, $185 is not too bad. And I think the biggest size is going to be, I think, 12.5 in women's, which is something that I could probably wear. The quality is not too bad. I do like the Concord purple. It's really nice. The material is good. The clear soles are good. Overall, it's a great shoe. So next we get the Air Jordan 6 Hares. Although these are already released on the 17th, I ended up recording this way before the shoe actually released. But overall, it's a really great shoe. The contrast and colors is good. The comparison between the original Hare 7s, like it's almost identical. The way they executed it was actually really good. The shoe overall is really nice. I do like the clear tongue touch. That overall, it was a great quality. I think it was a great execution, and really good shoe, and I'm glad I was able to cop when I'll end up doing a detailed review once I ended up getting them to me, and then I'm gonna end up recording, basically doing that. So next we have a shoe that already released. It's the top 3 Air Jordan 5s. And then this one came out at 6/13/20 with a price point is $170. This one's actually really not too bad. I do like how they ended up doing the fire reds and then the grape colorway. There were some things I would have done differently. I didn't like that they included the colorways in the tongue. I just feel like if it's a shoe that you already know, you should already know what the color is. I do like the metallics. Metallics is one of my favorite 5s, and so is the fire reds. Grapes is not too bad, but it's definitely a colorway that's very specific, I guess, to wear, just because I'm not really a fan of purple, but it's still a good shoe. Alright, that's the rest that we have for today. If you guys want to check out the restoration playlist down below, it'll be in the link, and I'll see you guys in the next video.